Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Are you ready for some fun in the kitchen?
These bento boxes have been so fun. It has definitely made my life easier as a mom because it really gets the kids involved in making their breakfasts and lunches. Lunchables are awesome, but my kids don't like every single component in a Lunchable. So, making our own Lunchables with the things that they like in them has been a game changer. They love putting their little fingers in each compartment, grabbing the food that they like. And it really helps when they help make their own food and put these boxes together because they are definitely more likely to eat them. My kids also like those flip yogurts, so we kind of tried to mimic that also with one of our boxes. These are also super easy to clean. You just throw them in the dishwasher and they're ready to go.
I just love these so much, and storing them so simple. They stack 1, 2, 3, 4. You can just slide them right into the refrigerator. They don't take up that much space, and they're definitely a time saver for breakfast, lunch, dinner, meal prep. They are just amazing. I love these. My family loves them. It's really been a big help for mom life. So I definitely would recommend this product, and that's my point of view.